later pressing from November 7th, 1996, and this copy has the 1993 roller coaster MGM UA home video logo at the beginning because this copy has a version 2 of my 1994 VHS, so just want to give it proof. The print date is visible in from June 19th, 1996. And yes, this copy does have previous on it because this copy is a version 1, so just want to give it proof. And I know there's another copy of my 1994 VHS of All Dogs Go to Heaven, which is version 1 that does have the 1982 MGM UA home video logo at the beginning. And I know there's another copy of my 1996 VHS of All Dogs Go to Heaven 2, which is version 2 has no previews on it whatsoever, in which I don't have it yet, but you will get it soon, so just want to give it proof.